Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Josh, and I run the GPU Abuse website and gaming channel. Wearing my new sweater, and I used my new color checker, passport color checker thing, so the colors should actually be pretty accurate. Today's video, just going to be doing some flipping, and I wanted to make a video. I didn't script this, so it's probably going to be horrible, but I wanted to do a video about tricks and tips that I've learned while flipping the Balisong. I got the Chimera here. I'm waiting on parts for my Matrix, but I'll do a video on that again here before too long. Yeah, so I just wanted to talk about some tips and tricks. I started recording a video. It's not only going to be tips and tricks, it's going to be shooting the shit too. Apparently, but yesterday was my birthday, so, birthday sweater, birthday color checker, got some guitar stuff as well as some camera stuff. Pretty cool. 28 years old. What up? I was just recording a flipping video, and then I started talking, and I wasn't intending on talking, and then it was already like 4 minutes in, so I was like, well shit, I might as well just make a video where I'm talking. So yeah, some simple tips and tricks. A lot of times, whenever I get a new knife, particularly butterfly knife, also known as the Balisong. People say it originated in the Philippines, but that's neither here nor there. I guess Europe too. Europe had a Balisong? I don't know. Whenever I get a new butterfly knife, I like to throw it around like this, and it's not very typical to flip it around like this when you're doing tricks and shit. That's not one of the main priorities of getting a butterfly knife, to throw it around like this, but I do that mainly because it helps me figure out the balance and how it's gonna react while it's in the air. I do that with pretty much every one of my butterfly knives when I start flipping it for the first time or haven't flipped it in a while. It kind of just gets you introduced into, how it's going to react, or get you re-familiar with it if you haven't flipped the knife in a while. Don't ask me why that helps, but it does, because I do that, and then you can start doing like aerials and stuff like that, because you have a better idea of how the weight is going to be, you know what I mean? Obviously you can go dive head first and start throwing it in the air for aerials and whatnot, but I figured, this is a safer bet. My heat just kicked on. I don't know, this just seems like the safer bet than going full force into, aerials and whatnot and potentially getting cut. 9 times out of 10 after I'm done doing that, I have a good understanding of how the knife's gonna flip in the air. Pretty cool stuff. The other day I posted out a video on Instagram where I was doing a trick. I guess it's called the Y3K, where you throw it like this, and you do a thumb roll over, and you stick your index in there, and it closes on your index, and then it goes around your index finger, and then you kind of end it like that. I'll do a really shitty version for you. So you throw it like that, then you catch it, spin it around, and then I added a few steps. Oops. I was doing that the other day, and I had it on the wrong side, so when I threw it open and I caught it, this is the sharp side. I fucking caught it like that, and I spun it around my finger, and I cut myself pretty freaking good. I posted the video on Instagram. So that was funny. So I guess that's another good tip. Always check to see what side's sharp. Right? That goes without saying. but it's a trick that I really wanted to learn, and I definitely learned something. Oh man. I feel like I'm never gonna get it now. I was so close to getting it, and now I spooked myself right on back to not knowing how to do it. Oh man. Come on, come on, come on. Maybe I just gotta practice that for a little while. Practice. That's another good tip. Practice, practice, practice. There's been times where I felt like I was never, ever, ever going to get a trick. And then literally just one day it clicks. I don't know what it is, but just keep trying that damn trick, and eventually you'll get it. Like, I mean, the 8-ball and the helix aren't very hard to learn, but like that, it might look a little difficult, but really that's not even that hard of a trick. The one that I'm trying right now, this one, is way freaking harder. I just can't get it. I know what I have to do. When I throw it, I gotta pull up like that. But it's just catching it at the right time. I just sharpened this knife too, so it's like freaking, I mean, I don't really have any arm hairs, but I don't know if you can see all that. Did you see any of that? I don't know. You probably didn't. I wonder if the camera can pick that up though. Picks up everything else that I have on me. See if we can't. Hey, there we go. Let me try to find a spot. Oh, well, there you go. I'm trying to find a spot where you could actually see, like, hairs coming off. Then everyone's gonna ask, hey dude, why are you shaving your arms? Look at all the skin particles and freaking hair coming off of that. You can't really see it because you can see more skin than you can hair. But I promise you, there's hair on there. It's just blonde. There you go. That's fucking gross, right? I just wanted to prove that it was sharp. Some people don't flip them sharp, which I don't give a fuck, but some people do, alright? Some people do. Yeah, that trick there is not hard to learn. I don't know, I would do tutorial videos, but there's so many people that already do it. You know what I mean? And honestly, just doing the trick is the best way to learn. But obviously, you know, watching other people and having them break it down, like, helps you understand and break it down for yourself. You know what I mean? And you'll learn different tactics that work better for you. Someone can explain to you how to do a trick all day long, but until you do it and find your own tricks and techniques, you know, that will be the time that you really start learning. Never try to catch the knife when you're dropping it. That's a pro tip right there. If you're dropping or if you're getting ready to do a trick and it flies out of your hand, don't reach out and catch it, because you're gonna probably fuck yourself up pretty good. Ice pick aerials are easier than regular aerials. Easier than that. Don't ask me why, they just are. And they look cooler too. Wear shoes. I'm not wearing shoes, but do as I say, not as I do. Because you'll see me dance around whenever I drop this, because I don't want it to stab right through my foot. Pro tip is to always wear shoes. Where's the trick? This is the trick I was trying to do. I don't even know what it's called, but it's kind of fun. and dangerous. Be safe, right? That should be a pro tip, but it's kind of hard to... Flipping knives is kind of like playing with fire. You're going to eventually get cut if it's a sharp edge. If it's not a sharp edge, that's cool, man. I got knife. Look, I got trainers. There's no shame in flipping a trainer. They're kind of really light. This thing is super lightweight. So it's kind of hard to do tricks with, but I don't know. It's kind of cool. Woo. That one, as you guys know, this one's my favorite. You'll see me doing this one all the freaking time. Right now, I'm just trying to smooth it out. What the fuck was that? I don't even know what the hell I did there. Pretty much all tricks start high and low, or start low and end high. Depends on how you look at it. See that? Low, high, low, high, low, high, like that. Kinda cool. Kinda cool, yo. It's cool how tricks, you should always be predicting the trick to where it ends up. So, like with this one, you know, I'm flipping it, right there's the sharp side. I kind of just hit my finger a little bit, but that's alright, whatever. See, that's the sharp side, but if I do it one more time, dull side. So, since I know that, I can manipulate it into other tricks and combos, you know what I mean? So, I don't know, learn your tricks really good and be able to predict what side you're going to end on. Are you going to end on the sharp side where you don't want to, you know, do what I did and give yourself a ring of shame, or I don't know. Honestly, this video is dumb. I don't even know why I'm doing it. I'm doing it because I wanted to record a video. I wonder if... I wish I could land this. That'd be a cool... That would make this whole video worth it. But it's gonna look really sloppy every time. Wow. Whoop. If I could just get one, you know what I mean? Jeez. I want it to be smooth though. I mean, that's progress. Now I'm all scared, you know what I mean? I'm like hesitant. Progress right there. Wouldn't that be something if I did it again? This time I'd be able to do it in slow motion though. God, come on. Alright, that seems like a good location. Oh, come on. I just need to pull up. Yeah. That's dangerous. Come on. Oh man, come on, come on. Whoa. Whoa, man, whoa. trying different angles. That was progress. It's addicting trying to figure out tricks. I got that part down. Whoa. Maybe I need to learn that first. What the fuck? I've never done 3 before. What the fuck, dude? That's pretty cool. I'm actually satisfied with that. I don't know. There's a lot of cool tricks, man. This shit's fun. If you, you know what? I know a lot of people that watch this channel don't flip knives, but if you wanted to get started, these ones are like $7 on Wish, and yeah, they're kind of hunks of junk, I'm not gonna lie, but it at least gets you started to see if you enjoy the sport. They're a lot smaller. You can tell the quality difference. This is like 400, less than 400. And this one's $6. It's kind of impressive that they can even make something like this for under 10. I got this on Wish, and I put the express delivery, and it got to me within a week. Yeah, I mean, it would at least tell you if you like the sport. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. I wanted to show these to you. Yeah, honestly, I just wanted to make a video. I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Just in general about life, because obviously you're not going to have questions about this video other than why the hell did I make it, and why am I on the floor when I have a perfectly nice chair here. You know what? I wonder. Huh. You could. Don't ask me why, I just thought of this. Now I won't fall out. Alright. Either way, I appreciate you guys. I apologize for the lack of uploads, and as always, I hope to see you next time.